What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Megumi, Sukuna's vessel. So this is coming up soon, I think. So let's draw it. I think I've drawn him with the white sort of uniform on, but not with like Megumi's clothing. So let's try this. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So I'm going to start with his eyes. Those slick Sukuna eyes. So we go sort of diagonal first, right? And then it spikes back that way. Now, usually you thick up the front. So you just make it sort of darker at the front. Always make sure you keep your little spikes though. They want to be like nice and thin. But this part can be heavy. And then spiky back here. Bottom eyelid line, standard sort of curve, very thin eyes, and then he's kind of looking up from underneath this eyelid, just here, and the pupil similar. We have the other eye shape just underneath as well. Lots of different ways of drawing this now, but just that kind of thing. And then there's a red eye in there. Then above his eye, we have his eyelid line. So just coming across here. And then above that, we have the eyebrow, just kind of a check mark that goes along sort of past the edges of the eye. And then you want to do a top line as well, so you have a space to color some hair color, you know, like dark black or dark gray, you know, navy, depending on what way you like to color Megumi's hair. So we'll do the other eye. So measure this, come over about eye width, say like the white part of his eye. It's about that much over. And that's where the next one starts, right? So you can roughly fit this in here, eye distance. And then we do that again. And again, we'll kind of thicken this end up. Keep that spiky at the front. And then bottom eyelid line, curving around here. And then we'll put his sort of half circle eyelid line again. Try and get it in the same spot. So we'll go, where are we? Kind of like here. All right, and then his pupil coming down underneath. So then we have the other eye shape again, just underneath his eyelid line. And then some, like a red eye in there. And then we'll go above for his eyelid line on top. And then his eyebrow again, kind of like a check mark, curving back that way. And then do the top line so you can add a bit of color in that gap, or shade if you're coloring, or if you're not coloring. Yeah, you can just darken it up. They give him like extra eyelid line and stuff there as well. So we'll do his nose. So just the bridge of his nose, fairly basic. And then like the tip of his nose. And then his nostril beside that. And he's got like a big confident smile, right? So it's curled up at the corners. and it'll just go kind of flat in the middle and then up in the corner there as well. And then we have his bottom lip. His chin is cut off by his collar, right? So it just comes across here somewhere. So you can't really see his chin. So his jaw comes out from here. One that way. One there. And then we'll change direction and go up towards his sideburn. So just here beside his eyes, we get this V for his hair, the sideburn. Okay. And then this becomes his ears, so his ear comes out. And you get some ear lines inside. And then we'll do his hairline coming around. Just a zigzag. And it'll go like into the middle, say here. So it'll go back. Like that. So now I'll add his facial tattoo sort of marking things. So we got this one right in the middle of his forehead, with the arms then that come out either side. Like that, and then the other way. And he's one that comes across his nose. And then the ones on the side of the cheek under his eye, his second set of eye. And then the long ones, so you get this spike out here, and then it comes along down his chin. And these things are different sometimes, you know, so especially in the manga, they're not always exactly in the same spot, so don't worry too much if you don't get them exactly as I'm doing them. And then he's got those spiky ones that are kind of here. Okay, so hair spikes. Sea urchin head, isn't that what he's called in the show? It is that style of hair, so it just like spikes up around. I'm going the whole way around the other side. I wonder if we're going to see this in this season. Do you know? That'd be awesome. Just keep going around. Take your time. And like there's a couple of texture lines and stuff in here. Right, then we just finish his collar. So it just comes out and down. And it's Megumi's uniform. Oh, we can see his neck just in here. Nearly forgot about that. Right, so he's kind of got his hands in his pockets, so it's his shoulders go like real far down. You know, it's like very slumped sort of shoulders. And then we have the way his collar clips together, so it just goes down that way. And then we get those buttons. So there's one like here, and there's, you know, all these sort of spiral lines coming out of them. And then there's another one down here. I can only see half of it though. They kind of look like bicycle wheels or something. And then coming across. Looking forward to this moment in the show. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.